What's your favorite thing about your job?
Probably the nursing skills. I love being able to, do sterile processes, stick needles in people, start IVs, just all of it is so much fun.
I would say the relationships that we get to build with patients.
The complexity of my job and never knowing what's going to happen next is my favorite part.
You kind of get to start at square one, and as you see, you piece the puzzle together, and you get to try different things and see those things work or, save lives is what they tell you. And I guess realistically, in some of them situations, that's what we get to do.
I think my favorite part of home health is we're in a unique setting going to the patients' homes. We get to meet them more on a personal level, get to know their families. I feel like it makes an impact on them. We become part of their family, are able to change a lot of aspects in their lives.
You just fall in love with the people here, so that's my favorite thing, just developing those relationships.
I have great coworkers. I love coming to work, taking care of people. I always joke sometimes that they didn't need to get hurt or sick to come see me. They could just come and say hi.
And what's your favorite thing about working here at Benefis?
I would say the flexibility that our managers allow for us to be able to have that life-family balance.
I like being a part of a community, and Benefis serves our community, so I know a lot of the people that live here, they know me. It makes it a lot easier for them to trust me and provide good health care to them.
My coworkers here are the best.
We have a very tight-knit group. We really are a family.
I'm in small town Montana, and I love the family that we have here.
But we have, from our receptionists to our providers and everything in between, it's just so cohesive. And it's such a positive environment, and I just genuinely love coming to work every day. It's amazing.